Okay, for me, the best four-wheel drive on the road at the moment are these, the new Range Rover, and this is just arrived, and what a car it is for the money. D300 SE, great looking from the exterior, fantastic condition, and the facelifted model, registered in 2024 on a 73 plate. This car gives you warranty with the dealer until 2027, but in Eiger grey with the full exterior, well, shadow pack, black roof, 23-inch black wheels, black interior. This car is stunning, just under 12,000 miles. Now, it was, we've sold it before actually, it's just come back in part exchange. We sold it when it was almost new for a hell of a lot more money than we're advertising it for now. It is a beautiful order, it's got the right exterior look, especially with those bigger wheels, the Shadowline exterior giving you the darker accents to the car, the black undersection, the black roof, privacy glass. If you don't know, get to know, these cars are basically fully loaded from standard. It's got glass roof, Napa leather, heated front seat. I love the wood in this car as well through the center console. Now, some of these come with the gloss black veneer through the center, but I think the wood is a little bit nicer, a little bit more classy in these. This car is an unbelievable car, great driver, four-wheel steering, air suspension, 300 brake horsepower, fuel efficient, very elegant, and just like I said at the start of the video, for me, for the money, the best four-wheel drive that you can buy in the marketplace today. Now, rear blinds are here. We've got part electric rear seats, lots and lots of interior space, power assisted tailgate. Love the LED lighting system on this car, split tailgate as well, like so. And we've also got full electric seats, switchable from the back. So if you wanted to drop your seat and have the big boot space, which was just there, you can. It's got a massive boot, and then you can just put the seats back electrically like that with assisted tailgate. I'm going to show you in the inside of the back of this side of the car. Eiger grey is a lovely colour, isn't it? It gives you a very, very nice contrast between the black and the grey, and the car is lovely. Now, on the inside, easy in and out. I mean, the access height, sometimes you can think, oh, well, how am I going to get in that car? It's really high. It's actually not. It's very, very easy to get in and out of. Keyless entry, keyless start. As a facelifted model, we have the digital dials taken from here, and now the climate control is put into the screen, which gives you a really nice seamless center console with wireless phone charging just underneath there. Everything is really easy to use. You've got navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone integration, which is wireless, the 360 camera, the 3D camera. Parking this thing is a doddle, especially with the all-wheel steering. You know, the turning circle on these is magnificent. If you look into the door, you'll see we get Meridian sound. You've got leather top doors, full electric seats with driver and passenger memory, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. Just a stunning four-wheel drive on the website now. Color combination, specification, price, mileage, it's all in a package with this car. Soft closing doors. Going on the website now, a magnificent value. My name's on the screen, it's Richard. If you want to call me directly about this car, you can. My number's there. Anytime, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching.